Center Skory Medichinskoy Pomoshi. It's an emergency center for Russian nationals.
Today the lecture is about subcutaneous injection. Before the lecture was about measuring blood pressure. So all the practical nursing things we need in day-to-day medical life.
So how to stop bleeding, tourniquets, right? This is a professor?
No, she is also our classmate.
Okay, I thought she is a professor. I am right in front of library now. At the back of me, you can see the students in the. You can zoom. Students are studying. I guess OZ classes are going. TSM of Russia. So what is the menu for coffee? It will be 99 rubles. Americano, cappuccino. So basic Indian rates only. Chole also we have, right? Chana. So we have lachha paratha also. Chicken tikka. We have omelette also. Student can have this. This is another lecture hall they have, very small one. So hello everyone, my name is Dr. Chinmayanan, Chief Managing Director of For Abroad Educations, and currently I am at St. Petersburg, Northwestern State Medical University. I am inside the campus of university. You can see at the back of me that it's a campus. It's a whole campus. Apart from that, there is a Center Skory Medichinskoy Pomoshi. It's an emergency center for Russian nationals. So now today I will give you the tour of university campus and few departments here and there. So let's start the tour of university. So this is IM Mechnikov, Northwestern State Medical University. This is the whole campus and buildings. So it's pretty old looking campus is there. So student every day can come here through tram. In front of the university there is a tram also. This university is founded in 1885, so nearly 200 years old. And apart from that, this university has 100 acre of campus, so you can see how much big it is from here only. So there are different buildings, hostels, small polyclinic centers, nursing department, anatomy department. Major thing is Mr. Ilya. This is a statue of Mr. Ilya Mechnikov. After his name only the university has been named. He got Nobel Prize for discovering phagocytosis process, and after his name this university has been named. So now one more fact and important information about this university is only specialized and for general medicine program. That's the major thing. Apart from that, they have Russian course, like Russian language course, but mostly the focus is on the general medicine program. So that's the specialty. And now we are moving towards the nursing department. So let's see how is their department. So what is the importance of nursing department is, like in Russia, even if when I was studying at Kazan State, we had classes regarding to the first aid stuff. So instead of naming it as first aid, they have named it as nursing department here. So as you know, in Russia we have garderov, that is the jacket keeping place. So every university and department will have a separate like this. Some department have guards to collect it, but here is a nursing department, like first aid department. So you have to arrange it like that. You have to keep your second pair of shoes here, and you should always have the second pair with you, the new one that you should use inside the building. So this is nursing department. Currently classes are going on, so I cannot raise my voice and like speak loud, so I have to speak in this voice only. So we will go to that side and see how the classes are going. Come on. So this is a very old building. You can see how Soviet time colors are used. Можно севера? Спасибо. Да, нет, на английском. На английском не знаешь? Окей, давайте. Вам говорит на русском, я переводит на... Окей. You know English? Хорошо. What about it? Come on. Okay. So I am in the class of nursing. Here they call first aid class as a nursing, In Kazan, we have first aid. They named it here as nursing. So what is the importance of your this nursing class or first aid class? What they teach?
Nursing class, we have all the practical lessons. Like today, the lecture is about subcutaneous injections.
Subcutaneous.
Before, the lecture was about measuring blood pressure. So all the practical nursing things we need in
Uh-huh.
medical life, we use.
And apart from that, I guess bleeding, how to stop bleeding, tourniquets, right? Uh-huh. And so this is a mixed class, right?
Yeah,
Multinational.
we have Indian students as well as
Inostranis, you can talk. Okay. Where are you from? Uzbekistan, right? Tashkent.
Yes.
Yeah, I have been Tashkent first and then came here. It's good. Tashkent is beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, Kanishna. Pilaf. Pilaf. Uh-huh. So this is a mixed class. When I was studying in Kazan, I was also among the mixed class group. So we had from Colombia and different Canadians and Colombian. Buenas noches. Egyptian. I also had Egyptian. So multicultural class you will have. So having a multicultural group is very is advantage also. Yeah. So this is a professor?
No, she is also our classmate.
Okay, I thought she is a professor. So I guess that's it. Anything important you want to tell about your university? How is it like? You feel comfortable studying here?
We feel comfortable. University is good, but the thing is,
Strictness, right?
It's very strict. Yes, you have to keep on studying continuously to survive here.
Frankly speaking, guys, I was in Kazan. Kazan was also same. But what advice I would give you is come to class daily. That's the main thing. Attendance is the major thing. And you will pass your FMG also. You have to start in second year only. If you start second year, there is a saying called early you start, early you finish. That's the thing. So I also cleared in first attempt, so I know, and even I did my part-time jobs that time. So my life was pretty difficult. So I have my YouTube channel, Earthly Existence. You can follow me there if you want.
Of course.
Subscribe. Thank you. Okay. Hi. So students are having classes, and it was a mixed group of foreigners and Indians. So like that, you can have classes every day. This building is a little bit old, but it's okay because it's a 200-year-old university. So how they have preserved everything, and they every year they renovate thing. So you can see here. So the color coding system, ACLS protocol, and everything we have in India. So this is biomedical waste management things. In this class they teach you. Then different type of solutions like we have betadine and everything. How to stop bleeding and everything. So how to take care of the wound. So everything they teach in this first aid class or nursing they say. So currently I am in front of one more study building. So here at the back of me you can see the students in the you can zoom. Students are studying. I guess OZ classes are going, PSM of Russia we say. So today classes are going on, so all students are busy. So this is another study building. Teachers teach every day. You can show that building, teachers teaching and everything. So very old buildings they have, but so currently there are more than 300 students are studying in this year. So now we are moving towards the library, I guess, and before going inside library, we will show you some random shots here, how you can see the campus is. So pretty fast. Okay. So because the light, the problem here at St. Petersburg is the sunlight will be for just 7 hours, 6 hours. So we have to be little fast while shooting videos also. And you can see the park and sitting area is there. Student can sit here, come for reading books and have. So I am right in front of library now. So we cannot speak inside library. We will just show you the shots and remaining thing you assume. What we have to do in library is just to study, and let's get a tour. So that was a tour of library where we have the computer room where you can practice regarding MCQs if you have, or any other subscriptions if you have. You can have your grand test or something like that. And apart from that, we have study rooms also. So few things will be restricted here, of course, and we cannot talk, of course. So this is the campus. At the back of me also campus, a very big campus, and it's not possible to give tour of each and every department. I will get tired also. So now we will go to the canteen. So let's see how the canteen is and how the food is there. Okay, come on. This one, and which one is for food? So this is the cafe. So here all the meals, like you can get croissant and everything, omelette and everything. So they have, this is the menu also. So what is the menu for coffee? It will be 99 rubles, americano, cappuccino. So basic Indian rates only, not, but quality is good. You can have all the buns and pastries, spirachki and everything. Okay, let's move to the food area. So let's eat something nice today. Chole also we have, right? Chana, chicken tikka. So what should we have? So क्या खाएगा भाई? Lachcha paratha also. So we have lachcha paratha also. Здравствуйте. Korini cutlet есть? Вот. Ага.
Шницель куриный, шашлычок куриный.
Ага.
Вот это котлетка куриная.
Куриная, да? Омлет есть? Это омлет, да?
Омлет?
А?
Нет, омлет у нас вот здесь. Вот это.
Ага. Давай. Одна омлет.
Открывайте,
А.
берите.
So और कुछ मीठे में खाएगा कुछ?
Шишек.
Chai, coffee? Yeah. Okay. आता Vartushka, Adna. So my favorite here is Vartushka always. Vartushka is made with tvorg. Tvorg is like what curd we have, na? So it's very tasty. You want one? Coffee or something? No? Okay. Skolka? Наличную, пожалуйста.
432.
Okay, so what we have ordered here is Caesar salad. So it's chicken and other cheese, and this is sukhari, like so bread and mayonnaise and lots of vegetables. And we have omelette also. The student can have this, and it costed me around 90 rubles. And this is a little bit expensive, 180, but you can share if you have friends. So it will be, and the favorite. This is like a cheesecake we have, and lachha paratha also. So I will taste the food how it is and give you a siva. Start. You started or? It's good, fresh, and they recently renovated this canteen also, so you can see how it looks. So now we will have our food peacefully, and we also got the tour. So that's it. So here we had food now in the canteen. The same we have here on the same floor. We have lecture halls also. This is easily they can accommodate more than 200 students here, right? Or 200 at least. No mic. At least they can accommodate 200 students. So this is the lecture. This is another lecture hall they have, but it's small one for small classes or medium-sized classes, like microbiology lecture, because sometimes two groups have to give the lectures like that. So it's divided in shifts. That's it, I guess. But they have maintained very properly. So I guess that was a door, guys. So I wanted to say you can take admission here. A little bit strictness is there, but things are possible if you do classes every day. And thank you for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel Earthly Existence, as well as for abroad educations. 2026 admissions are open. You can log in on our website. You can have inquiry via website, as well as there will be numbers, WhatsApp numbers. You can directly contact us. We are 24/7 available. So even if I won't receive call, my executive managers will receive it and will get all the information. So thank you.